Welcome back to Family Investment on the 4th of February on a Thursday 2021, and today I want to discuss, is it time to sell your stocks? Okay, why am I saying this? Last week was the sell-off. I'm sure if you all followed me, instruction, you've been buying on the dips last week like I have done, and now this week you've seen all-time highs, great earnings has came out. Amazon smashed it, Pinterest has smashed it, and you see Skyworks has done really well. So stocks that you've held, hypergrowth, growth, mega tech stocks should be on the high. You should be doing well. Google doing well. The question is, should you be selling your stocks? Firstly, I want to start off with the VIX. VIX is sitting at 22. My strategy for 2021 is all about the VIX. It all revolves around the VIX, okay? After COVID-19, we rely on the VIX. You need to check out my video up here, my strategy for 2021. A really good video. Loads of people found it useful. If not, check it out. So VIX is sitting at 22. Between 20 to 22, like my homework when I said before, is what you do is cruise control. You're there, cruise control, looking out, wind blowing your hair. So cruise control mode, you have to do two things, okay? What's the two things? Homework, homework, homework. That's the first thing you need to do. You need to do your homework. You need to figure out if it goes on the dip again, what do you buy? What price do you buy? You buy trigger. Do your technical analysis now. Okay, prepare. That's all you do. You don't buy stocks, but you prepare your homework. And the second thing is you have to save cash. Okay, if you don't save cash, when the dip comes again, what are you gonna do? You're just gonna look at everybody else enjoying the fun, and you'll be left out in the mud. Real question is it time to take profit? You've not get to the question, Alex. I will say yes. Take profits only. Okay, only if you're transferring to any of your top 3 stocks. When I say top 3 stocks are your key 3 concentrated portfolio holdings that you're transferring into. If you take stocks from somewhere, put it in here. But if the profits within your top 3 stocks, just hold it, because it's there for the long run. But it's a swing trade type stocks that you think is a SPAC stock you just bought. Now it's in profit. I want to take it off, put it in your top 3 stocks. So I've been taking profit and topping on Tesla. That's what I've been doing on Monday. Take profits, top up Tesla, and guess what? Tesla's going even higher. That is the strategy. Keep it simple, people, okay? But what if you don't want to take profits now? You want a bit more detail. Let me go to part B to give you a bit more detail, okay? So if you can wait, okay, wait till VIX drop to 20, okay? There'll be some volatility, no rush. Don't lock in your profits. Let it drop to 20 first, and then once you hit 20, then be more comfortable. Take profits because it's at high, okay? But before you take profits, I need to warn you guys, it depends on which country you're from. You need to watch for your tax, man, okay? You need to understand your tax. Is it worth taking profit and based on the tax that you have to pay? For us in the UK, if you're based in the UK and you open UK stocks and shares ISA, it's tax-free, okay? So you don't have to worry. I can buy and sell all day long. But what if you want to go a bit more technical, okay? Technical, you want to be more precise. You know, some of you out there want to be precise. Then go to the technical charts, okay? I've done a simple fundamental technical chart analysis, but I'm going to tell you now. Go and check. You want to sell on a good high. Wait for your RSI to hit over 70, okay? And in combination that your stochastic chart needs to be also over 70. So if you see both over 70 and you're comfortable and also the VIX is down low, then sell, take profit. It should be at your peak. Sometimes you don't wait at the maximum peak. Don't be too greedy. Don't wait them to 80 and 90. Don't be too greedy. Take profit and then risk transfer into your top 3 stocks and let your top 3 stock grow, because this top 3 stocks will be making you the 6-figure or the 7-figure for you to retire early, okay? That's what I want to share with you. So, okay, this is what I want to sell. But Alex, so what are you watching in your homework there? What stocks are you watching? Okay, that's what I want to share with you, okay? I want to share a bit more. The stocks that I'll be watching while doing my homework, obviously, still my Tesla, my semiconductor, my Fiverr, my Pinterest, my Upwork. Those are my stocks that I hold, but mainly Tesla that I'm watching because I want to buy more and more before they hit the $1,000 mark. Eyeing as well, not buying, but I'm just eyeing because I like them, is e-payment stocks. You're going to get Square, PayPal, Agent. Great companies, electronic payment system companies are so good, you know. I cannot afford to stretch further to own them, but if you guys, you know, are fed up of Amazon, are fed up of Apple, fed up of Google, fed up of all this FANG stock, perhaps go into PayPal and Square. PayPal and Square has got Bitcoin, current cryptocurrency to buy. They've got the Cash App, they've got the Venmo, and everybody's going cashless transaction. Still so much room for growth. The other stocks I'm watching are like e-commerce stocks. I'm still liking my e-commerce stock. Okay, I still like the likes of Etsy. I still like Shopify, and Shopify, I think it will be the next stock to stock split and enter the S&P 500. Okay, I think that's what's going to happen to Shopify. And also you've got the likes of SEA Limited on the Far East, Southeast Asia, and you've got the Chinese Pinduoduo. So these stocks, e-commerce stocks, are great to buy because the way we shop has changed. Even coming out of COVID-19, I think we will all be shopping online. Okay, so that's what I like. And the next stock that I'll be watching, the next group of stocks, is the gambling stocks. You know, the likes of DraftKings, Penn State, William Hill, all these gambling stocks, because you know people, when they start opening up sports gambling, are going to be huge in America. Okay, people are going to be gambling more sports, and also gambling is quite a trend already in the EU, and folks in the Far East, in Southeast Asia, they love to gamble at any other sports. So now everything's open up. Now we've got the likes of Robinhood for, you know, trading, and Trading 212 for stocks and shares buying. But you know, sports gambling stocks will be a next big hit for 2021. That's what I feel. That's my speculation. So that's what I'm watching as well. So that's the end of me. I hope you enjoyed. VIX is at 22. Check out all the videos I'm going to link below just to help you to guide your journey. And you know, please like and subscribe for me to share with you more videos like this in future. So is it time to sell? I've given the power back to you. You can make the decision. I've given you all the options what you need to do. For me, I'm topping up to my top 3 stock, especially Tesla. Thank you very much. Hope to see you in future. Bye.